Hello, I'm going to present to you how to create a table of contents in Microsoft Word. I'm going to use Word 2010 plus the same procedure in Word 2016 and Word 2019. Let's start. At first, we have this document at hand. We have different headings and different text. For the main headers, we're going to use the heading 1. For the subheaders, we're going to use the heading 2. When we are finished by specifying which paragraph has the heading 1 and which one has the heading 2, we go to the References tab, and there is here the Table of Contents, which is what we're going to use to insert our table of contents. First, let's go to New Page, then we specify Table of Contents, and voila, it is finished. Now, what's the advantage of this? The advantage of this is that when we go and change any header, like here, okay, and like here, we go down and we say update, and it is updated. I hope you enjoyed my tutorial. Don't forget to subscribe for more videos are coming soon.